clicking into the control interface, and setting temperature control parameter. The muffler is used to eliminate the failure alarm sound. Click the bottom to bring up the menu, and return to the home page. The use login is used for users to login verification, to ensure the safety of engineering data. The parameter settings are the program settings for the equipment. Parameters are generally setting by the staff of manufacturer. Users do not need additional setting. User management is permission settings, for a user by an administrator. Manage equipment by adding, or subtracting users and user attributes. If customers have any problems during the process of use, can be directly called for advice. Alarm log can view the real-time alarm and alarm record. The alarm records for a certain period of time can be queried. The curve directly reflects the trend of temperature change, and the difference between temperatures. The curve selection window can be clicked to select the desired temperature curve. The curve will be exported as a screenshot, and the user can customize the image name. The data is presented as the form of table. The specific data of each save time can be viewed. The table content can be set to select the data you want to view.